What's up, guys? So, if you have been living under a rock, like I have apparently been doing, you will know you get sound cards. I had no idea. So, I was intrigued. Tried to search for more clips, specifically the live sound card V8s, because it looked really interesting, and I kind of liked what people did with it. So, I ordered it from one of my shopping websites, and it was apparently discounted by 96%. And according to them, retail for this whole kit is 22,000. And there's no way. Somewhere, someone made a huge mess, but luckily I got it at the 96% discount, so I can't complain too much. So you actually get the whole kit. I don't know if you'll be able to see the box with the ring lights, but let me try and show you. Pretty nifty box, and it says live broadcast equipment. It delivers truly professional performance with outstanding stability and easy operation. And it's legendary live broadcast microphone. Cool, and it is apparently the new series. So, ordered it, and I'm going to give you guys the full description of this kit. It is called M800 Pro condenser microphone kit with V8 sound card. And then you can choose if you want silver or gold. I actually chose the silver, but I got the gold one. Doesn't matter, because I mean, you don't see the gold that much. So this is more for people that does singing, live recordings, music, and so on. It's universal function. And within the kit that I got, you will get the live sound card, the V8, a BM800 condenser microphone, adjustable microphone stand, which I really do like, one nylon filter, one Forks plastic shock mount, one microphone windscreen, two female 3.5 microphone cables, and then you also get a user manual in English. And to be honest, it didn't help. So the reason I'm making this video, I try to see how to set up this whole thing, you know? There are quite a lot of videos on YouTube regarding setting up this V8 sound card kit, but a lot, or all the ones that I came across, was in foreign languages without subtitles. And just thought, why? Why can't I find one useful video? And I decided, well, I think I'll need to make this one. So I kind of got an idea what to do, but let's just say 80% of how to set this whole thing up was done by me. Not a lot of help from YouTube, so hopefully this will help someone. Straight after this, I'm going to show you guys how to connect the kits or the V8 sound card with your computer. And just as a FYI, these two cables that you do get, you might as well just put that away with the box. They will just confuse you. You're only going to need the charging cable, the microphone, and then you will need the port for your headphones. And unfortunately, you will need to put this on in order for you to hear the different sound effects of the live sound card. I'm just gonna tell you straight off the bat, these 15 extra added sound effects are stupid and silly. I will never use them. I don't know why. I think it might be entertaining for a 9-year-old, but as far as any adult goes, or someone serious about sound in their videos, I can guarantee they're not going to use this. But what I do like though, so at the top you get two big knobs. Okay, so the first one is for your mic volume, so you can adjust the mic volume according to what you want. And then right next to it is the echo function. So I kind of do like this one. I'm going to turn it all the way up. And this is echo, then all the way up. Yes, I will use this one. Next row. 1, 2, 5 smaller knobs. And then the first one is treble. Let's turn it all the way up. This is treble turned all the way up. Like as well. Next bass. Bass turned all the way up. Yes. Right next to it is a record knob. And next to that music and then monitor. To be honest, the recording music I really don't think you're going to use because the music, it just kind of adjusts the volume of the two stupid songs that you get in these 15 sound effects. And then the most confusing one, the last knob, monitor. So if you adjust the volume of that, not only does it adjust the sound effects volume like the kiss, laugh, or clap, but the mic volume as well. So if you turn that down, your mic volume goes down. So it's kind of defeating the purpose of them just having a mic knob in the first place. So that's the only thing I'm not understanding. Why are the two interfering? It makes absolutely no sense. But just to give you guys an idea of how stupid these sound effects are, I'm gonna play you guys a couple. Let's start with the least ridiculous one, which is clap. So let's go for it. Some people might use it. You won't sound like a clown. But this one is really ridiculous. So it's called kiss. No, definitely not. And then gun. I mean, yes, a 12-year-old boy's gonna love it. And then cheer. So do you guys kind of get what I'm saying? It's so silly. I mean, I think they could have done a lot more. But from my understanding, this is one of the cheapest sound cards you do get. So I think with the more expensive ones, you will have a lot more variety, or a better variety than what you get on the V8 sound card. And then just to play one of the kitschy songs, at the right hand bottom is called song 1 or song 2. I'm going to play you guys song 1. And let's go for it. Let's do song 2. Seriously, definitely no, will not be using that. It might be a perfect gift, for a kid, especially a kid who likes tech. I think they'll love it. But I'm going to stick to my favorite functions, which is the mic volume adjust, echo, treble, and bass. I'm literally only going to use 4 effects, guys. And this is my treble turned all the way up. I just want to turn it down again. And one more echo. Let's do echo again. I love the echo effect. I can really see myself using this. So I really do think people singing will be really helpful. Not the sound effects, the other options, the ones that I like. And I've actually came across a guy who actually recorded himself playing his guitar, and he plugged it into the V8 sound card. So that's pretty cool. Live broadcasts, interviews, I suggest do not use it for work interviews with the sound effects, because your bosses are going to get really irritated or mad, or all of the above. If you use it while maybe speaking to a friend, they're just going to plainly laugh at you. And not because they think you're funny, it's because they think you're ridiculous. But that's just my 2 cents, guys. I want you guys to get an idea of this whole kit or the products, and if you do think you will use it. For me personally, I might use it for some of my videos. At the moment, the current content on there, I use a USB microphone, which is a Fifine, and this is probably one of the best mics ever. It's affordable, and I do proper research before ever buying anything. So I did a fair amount of research on this microphone, and yeah, I'm 300% impressed by this. Especially for some of my videos, I need the microphone to cover quite a range. But with something like this, you need to speak directly into the mic like I'm doing now. I'm almost going to swallow this thing. If I sit back, you can't hear me that clearly. So that's why I said you literally need to be on top of this thing. For people maybe doing voiceovers, perfect. And I will definitely use these for upcoming videos, because I do have some ideas for videos that I want to do, and I don't always want to feature myself in it. So this is going to work out perfectly. But before, I'm going to show you guys how to assemble all of this. If you like my content or you like this video, please throw me a like or comment. And if you subscribe, I will be so grateful for that. I had a couple of DMs on my Instagram, which is also linked on my main page, where people ask me, Rian, what's your niche? You can't do toy reviews and then tech and then DIY. And my reply was to the whole, what's my niche? It's like, what isn't my niche? It's all about having fun. I think that's why everyone on YouTube has got a channel. I don't think they're in for it for money, because the chances of you making money on YouTube is slim to none, unless you're really lucky. But for me, I just really enjoy it. It's like a hobby for me, and I like informing people about stuff, giving them my opinion, and trying to help. That's my objective. But anyway, without my babbling, let me show you guys how to connect all of this. So, at the back, you will see the different ports, which is live 1, live 2, and all the other ones. But we're only going to be using the charging ports, headset, and the condenser mic. So, the charging ports. There we go, plugged in. And the condenser mic, so this is the one that you get in your kits. And then the headset, so you can actually hear what you are saying. There we go. Awesome. And now I just need to plug this in. There we go. So now you can see that little red button. So now you will be pressing that until it actually shows. There we go. I don't know if you can. There we go. So when it flashes blue, it means it's on. So let's go to my program right here, and then under audio devices you will need to select the V8, which is there already. So here we go. Make sure you select that, and then it's as easy as that. I hope this helped you guys a little bit. Like I said, I could not find a single helpful video, so hopefully this will help you guys.